Found in a white car, an ex-girlfriend and a former employee. It was all key testimony today in Bowling Green, centering around the murder of Crystal Rogers. WDRB's Fallon Glick breaks down what it all means.
The hair found in the trunk of the white Buick owned by Brooks Houck's grandmother garnered the most attention in court Monday, and it even caused some of the family members of Crystal Rogers to leave the courtroom in tears.
An emotional day in court. It all stemmed from testimony of Detective Jamie Brooks with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office. He picked up on a tip that had laid dormant about raccoon hunters seeing a white Buick in the middle of the road near the Houck farm on July 3rd. They called it suspicious looking. And a Dollar General manager also spotted a white car not far from Crystal's maroon Chevy Impala on the Bluegrass Parkway. Tommy Ballard, Crystal's dad, made a Facebook post about a white Buick on April 28, 2016, asking for information. Detective Brooks revealed days later on May 2nd that a white Buick owned by Anna Whiteside's Brooks' grandma was sold. Police located the car, processed it, and found a hair in the trunk. It was not Anna Whiteside's, but did have similar characteristics to Crystal's hair profile. When it was sent to the FBI, it came back with no DNA profile. When Charlie Girdley, a former employee of Brooks Houck, took the stand, he said Steve Lawson came to him and said Brooks Houck wanted to get rid of his old lady and thought he would be the guy for the job. Charlie said he just laughed it off. The defense worked to discredit his testimony over a conversation about moving Crystal's car. Charlie told police Brooks talked to him about it, but on the stand he said that never happened and he did not talk to Brooks. Girdley said he wasn't thinking straight at the time because when police picked him up and interviewed him, he said he was on meth and had been up for 5 or 6 days. Even though Nick Houck is not on trial, his girlfriend testified to his whereabouts on July 3rd into the 4th. Amber Bowman said Nick left in the morning on July 3rd. She never heard from him all day. He never came home at night, and she didn't see him until the next morning. Bowman said they were supposed to be moving into a new house, but instead, she said, Nick left to help Brooks with a rental property. During the 24-hour period she couldn't reach him, she called him 15 times. They all went to voicemail. Meantime, the defense pointed out she told the FBI that Nick wasn't always attached to his phone like most people and that his phone charger was left at home and not with him. Attorneys also asked Bowman if Nick was covered in blood or mud when he finally came back home. She said no.
A total of 11 witnesses took the stand Monday. Court picks back up on Tuesday at 8:30. Reporting from Bowling Green, Fallon Glick, WDRB News.